Want to have some more? Yeah? Here we go.
Hi, Anne-Marie. The meeting starts in about 20 minutes, but as you can see behind me, there is a line out the door with parents and
Delicious.
students.
Delicious. Let's get some more. I'm going to turn it the other way and see what you do. What do you do with that? Whoops, that's the wrong end. Can you turn your spoon around? Turn your spoon around. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Good job. Yeah. How about this one? Psst, psst, psst.
But some say their students were kicked out for logoed sneakers last week. Parents say they're here to find out once and for all.
Good job. Can you try again? Want to try again? That's good to chew on, isn't it? Here we go.
Last week's suspensions